Yes, the boy is in the kitchen. Man, I forget that I should have started the video because I just came in the kitchen to look at something I put down. And all of a sudden I just thought, let me just cook before wifey come. So, making some ackee and saltfish. And of course, this is New York, so I have no ackee tree here. So I'm using the one in the can. Okay, so normally we have ackee and saltfish. We call back home food. Ground provisions. That is like yam, bananas, dasheen, cocoa, sweet potato, dumplings, stuff like that. But personally, both me and my wife, we don't care for dumplings. I didn't want any sweet potato. All I want is just some bananas. So, and I love yellow yam. So, I'm actually making mine. We just have this with yellow yams and cooked green bananas. And of course, I'll be having a slicer or two of the good old Bosch avocado. All these things are good. They are so good. Back home we'd say, them good, bad. Yes. Maybe I should turn this light on too. Yeah. I can't take you over to my pot because this thing is not long enough. Oops. Yeah, so in that small pot there, it's called my Dutch pot. That's what I'm sauteing my codfish and my onions. I love onions. And this one is my yellow yam and green bananas. One thing, whenever you're in the kitchen, remember, you're dealing with hot stuff. Oops, my bananas are so cooked. Fire, hot water, and just hot stuff in general. So be very careful. And if, for example, like us Jamaicans, our kids always want to learn to cook early, pretty early. And of course, most Jamaican parents, at least back in my day, we always like to teach our kids to cook. Of course, I'm gonna be seasoning my ackee with a little crushed pepper. Jamaica, we love spicy stuff. And of course, did not put the ackee in there yet. These are big can ackee. A dash of black pepper. The old adage is that black pepper is not good for men. So, and I'm gonna use just a touch of all-purpose seasoning. Just a touch, nothing much. Normally, like when my mother did, all she put in it is some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Garlic is always good. And this is just my personal preference. You don't have to do this. A little black pepper and some onions. Pretty good. Bring up the flavor in this saltfish slash codfish slash some people call it bacala. Yeah. And when I pour this in, ackee, and it's a Jamaican national fruit. always be careful of these things. They can be pretty dangerous. Per my mama, it doesn't matter when it was washed, rinse it off. And that's just the way I like to do it. So, these Ackees, they're pretty soft, so can't do a lot of mixing up. Just got to put it in there, turn it over once or twice, and let it just saute so the heat penetrates. Oh, Kichobi. So, yes, it's all a part of Hugh's journey. There might even be a little baking sometimes. You know, the good old Jamaican rum cake. And let me tell you, I make some real mean ones. Some real mean Jamaican rum cake. Yes, one more thing, one more pointer. When you're in your kitchen, wash your hand often. You're dealing with food. Because everywhere you touch, it can be something else. So, wash your hands often. The way I personally like to do stuff, I clean as I go. I hate to have a bunch of dirty dishes when I'm done. I guarantee, if my wife was here, as soon as I move from here, even if I'm not done, she'll be drying the sink. Oh God, that woman she's clean to a fault. She just clean and clean and clean. Yes, she cleans. She loves to clean. Boy, I love that. I don't like a mess at all. When I'm done cooking, when I'm done with the kitchen, then I should have almost nothing left to do. But from when we eat, the 1 or 2 or 3 dishes that is left, that's it. And this drains thingy. So, this is a very short video because I was almost done cooking. When I remember, oh, I got Hugh's journey, man, to put something on, you know, show my journey. Yeah, everything is my journey, you know. So, whew, boy, them banana is really soft. Look at this. A good old yellow yam. And there's a banana over there. Yeah, that start to disintegrate. There's a good old Ackee and Saltfish. Yeah, just steaming down. And yeah, I had a piece of this avocado earlier today. And you know, yes, clean as you go. If you want to cook clean food, and I say this with no apology at all. If you want to cook clean food, the kitchen must be clean. There's no way. And that comes straight from Mama's University. Let me turn this to myself. Yeah, oops, sorry. Yes, straight from Mama's University. If you want to cook clean food at all, the kitchen must be clean. Mama said so. And guess what? If Mama said so, it is so. Okay, well, that's it for now. Bye. And enjoy Hugh's journey. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share. Send me your comment, whatever they are, good or bad. Thank you.